This is the washing machine in question. Here's our Fisher & Paykel. I think it's a 7 kilo machine. The water level has been somewhat low. I've already replaced various parts on this machine. The water level, I've adjusted the water level switch once and I think it made a difference. It's coming up to here. It's just at the bottom of that curve, just above the bottom of that. So I'm going to adjust it one more time, see if I can bring it up again, or I guess we'll find out if that switch is actually not working. I'm not sure whether me adjusting it and it's working a bit has been a coincidence, but let's do it, see what happens, do another wash. Oops, there goes the pegs. So I just need to undo the top panel. I've got a screw on this side and a screw on that side, and we'll just slide the top off. It's fairly easy to do, and that's where your water level switch will be. Alright, there we go. There's the two screws, I've taken it out. Now I'm just going to push it forward, just the lid, and it will come off. So I can... Done. See, easy as that. You can be more gentle if you like, but that's just doing it and getting it done. Alright, and the beast. This component here is the switch. So some wires, the adjustment screw in the back top of this one. I've actually pulled this switch apart. Luckily didn't break it, because a new one I've only been able to find a price of $65. I'm still not sure if that's going to fix the problem. As I said, this machine's had various parts replaced already, and it's not worth replacing parts continuously, so I might just end up buying a new machine. But this was ruined, and the drain pump was also ruined, so I've fixed those, replaced those parts, and we're not going to replace this if that's the problem. But I'm going to adjust it anyway to see adjust it again and see what happens. Okay, here goes. Trusty screwdriver. Now I've marked the starting position actually on this one, so you can see a black texture mark with the way that's going, and there's also black on it. It's a bit hard to see in the camera. But I have marked the position where it started from there. That's a pretty good idea, so you know what's going on. You know if you need to go back to where it originally was, you can do that. So I've already adjusted it one full turn to tighten the spring up internally, to push it down harder, but still I'm going to do it one more turn, if I can see what I'm doing. So it started, it should have started there one turn ago, so I've already done that. So clockwise, I'm going to do mine one more turn, and then I'm going to pay very careful attention to the water level, because if it overflows, the laundry will get wet. That's what will happen. So we don't want that. So we want to make sure that we don't do things wrong. And if we do wrong things, we want to be able to turn it off. So I'll be here to make sure it's right. Let's give it a crack. Okay, I'm just doing a small lot of washing now, just to see what happens. This will be very interesting and will determine my exact problem for this machine. When I pulled the switch apart, it wasn't using a physical, I guess, contact switch. I'm not exactly sure how it worked. It was a bit strange. It was just looked like some sort of magnet moving up and down, and some capacitors internally. That's all you could see. So hopefully the water level rises enough to do the washing properly, and we don't have to buy a new machine straight away. The water level's now approaching where it used to be able to get to. So it's nearly there. I'll see if it goes a lot further or a little bit further or overflows. This will be the question. Well, that's above where it used to get to. So I believe my switch is working. Now the question is, do I need to back it off to turn the water level down? Will it keep filling? Or will it switch off? It is getting a bit high. Oh, that's a good level. That's very good. Very, very, very good. Splishing and sploshing. And the best part about this is, not only do I not have to buy a new machine, I've already put the machine together. Ha! Joy! That is awesome. Currently, a new machine, the replacement for this exact machine was about $750 Australian dollars. I'm very glad I don't have to spend that again. And we were going to get a better one anyway, if that was the case. But what is better? Who knows? The better one, in my opinion, is one that just lasts longer. I'm not really concerned about what manufacturers claim. One that washes clothes is really pretty good. So, thanks for watching if you've managed to watch the whole way through this video, and good luck with your machine.